Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your GMC Terrain's water pump. First, gather all necessary tools like a wrench set, a drain pan, and a new water pump with its gasket. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery and allowing the engine to cool completely before you begin. Having the right parts and tools ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now let's get started. Begin by carefully draining all the engine coolant into a clean drain pan. Next, you'll need to remove any hoses, brackets, or other parts that are blocking your access to the water pump. Finally, use a serpentine belt tool to release the tension and carefully remove the serpentine belt from the water pump pulley, setting it aside safely. With the old pump removed, it's crucial to thoroughly clean the engine block's mounting surface. This ensures a perfect seal for your new water pump. Now, carefully install the new water pump, making sure to use a fresh gasket. Once the new pump is secure, reattach the serpentine belt and all the other components you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tightened to specification. The final steps involve refilling your cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant. It's important to properly bleed any air from the system to prevent potential overheating issues. Once refilled, start the engine and carefully inspect for any leaks around the new water pump. After a thorough check, take your vehicle for a short test drive to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.